Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And I'm making this one real quick to talk about the big update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, shout out to all my Samsung Knights. If you like me, you've been up since yesterday morning, refreshing your phone every hour, waiting for this update. Now, mine just came in around 3 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, it's 4:45. So let's get into this. Now, I turned off all of the lights since this video is basically about displays, so we can really check this out. So here's what I got. I got the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Galaxy S24 Ultra pre-update, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra post-update. Okay, so we're going to start off with the S24s. Now, let's go to display settings. As you can see, both of these are set to exactly the same. Okay, so we got Quad HD, Vivid mode. All right, so I'm going to click on Vivid. Now, before the update, there's no vividness slider. After the update, now we got the big vividness slider. So does it actually make a difference? Let's find out. So I'm going to increase to maximum vividness. Okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look. Now I'm sitting right here looking at these directly right in front of me. And according to this picture, okay, now this might just be a picture. According to the picture, it looks worse. Okay, according to this picture. Now let's see. Okay, so they actually switched up the pictures. Okay, this is a different picture now. Yeah, all right, they switched up the pictures. Okay, now this just might be an old picture, but it does look a little bit more vivid. So let's take it over to Instagram and do the Flossy Carter test. All right, now I'm sitting right here in front of these phones live. And I gotta say, okay, it is a little bit more vivid. Look at the red jacket. Look at the red jacket. It is a little bit more vivid. Now let's pull up the best Samsung display yet, the S23 Ultra. Yes. Okay, shout out to Samsung. Yes. You can see it for yourself. Now they look about exactly the same. Okay, they look about exactly the same, even though I will say the S23, it does look a little bit more vivid. Look at the where it says boost post. That looks a little bit brighter. Let's take it over to Facebook. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. Okay, yeah, they look about the same. They look about the same. Now, let's see if we can find two similar photos. Let's do it like this. Let's get on refresh. Okay, my bad, yeah. It's so cold in here right now. All right, let's see if I can do that again. Okay, let's get a refresh at the same time. Okay, let's see. Of course, now Facebook want to be having two different photos all the time. All right, well, anyway, just looking at these though. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can find this guy right here. Nothing. All right, one more time for Facebook. Now, like I said, I'm looking at these directly. The S23 does look a little bit brighter. It looks a little bit brighter. But let's go back to Instagram, okay, because, Facebook is playing around. Let's go to Instagram. This is the photo that I could really see the difference. Let's pull out the S22 pre-update. Yeah, now look, S24 pre-update. It is definitely more vivid. This is the perfect picture to check this out because that red jacket. The red jacket. Oh, yes. Okay, now, for all of y'all cats that really wanted to look exactly like the S23, you cannot complain now. Look at this. Now, I'm looking at the S23 Ultra and the S24 Ultra. They look about exactly the same now. But if you can see, the color tone actually looks better to me on the S24. My skin tone looks a little bit better, but the jackets are just as vivid now. Okay, now let's see. Let's try one more thing. Let's see. Let's go to that photo right there. Let's see. Okay, now this is another photo right here. I'm looking directly at both of these. All right, shout out to me and Amaya. The vividness is back, though. Okay, you cannot deny it. Look, this is the best picture right here to judge this, because this is the picture that I really seen the difference. Matter of fact, let me do one thing. Let's pull out an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay? iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here's the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra post-update, and it is definitely more vivid than the iPhone. Definitely. Okay, now this whole vivid display thing is only an issue to people who had an S23 Ultra and they upgraded. Now, if you had an iPhone, you like natural tones anyway, so you didn't really care about that. But again, look closely. It's hard to see on camera. Y'all just going to have to take my word for it. All of y'all cats who did the update at home, hit me up in the comments and let me know what y'all think. But you could definitely see the difference. Definitely. It is more vivid. These are both the same. Now, let me turn the light on real quick. I just want y'all to see something. Okay. These are both the same Galaxy S24 Ultras. Okay. I'll turn it back off. Yes. Okay. Now, I hope this fixes some other issues. I'm just making this a video real quick, but I want y'all to see. The vividness is back. The vividness is back. Okay, now there's one more thing I wanted to talk about. Let me turn the lights on. All right, so I just did some thorough testing off camera. And ladies and gentlemen, after the update, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is definitely more vivid. Now, quick side note. If you happen to have two Galaxy S24 Ultras, do not use this photo right here to do a comparison. Okay? Do not use it, because it's going to look like it got worse. You're going to have to use some real pictures. But check this out. I don't know if y'all can see this on camera, but even the Instagram icon, you can see the difference now. It's a little bit more vivid. Even the Facebook icon is more vivid. Now, if you put it right next to the S23 Ultra, they look about the same now. Even though the S23 might be a tiny bit more vivid, but it's definitely nothing to even make a big deal and complain about anymore. Now, on another note, we do got some more big news. All right, we got some more big news. Check this out. Now, this came in directly from Samsung, okay? We're getting more updates, okay, for older devices. Check this out, okay? Samsung just announced the rollout of Galaxy AI, okay? So if you want Galaxy AI for all older devices, including the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, the Z Fold 5, and the Z Flip 5. Also the Tab S9 Ultra, the Tab S9 Plus, and the Tab S9. You're going to get Galaxy AI. So you're going to be able to use circular search, okay? If you don't know what that is, that's this right here. Circular search. Okay, look, and even pulled up me. That's pretty dope. Look, it pulled up somebody with this hat. Okay, so you're going to get circular search. You're going to get live translate. You're going to get interpreter. You're going to get chat assist, which is easily one of my favorite Galaxy AI features. And you're going to get generative edit. Okay, that's all for your photos. But chat assist, man, chat assist is so fun. I'm going to have to make a whole separate video about that and show you how I'll be using it to answer the trolls in the comments. I'll be saying my regular shit, and then the chat assist will translate it into a more professional way of roasting. It is absolutely hilarious. Y'all got to try that out. Okay, so you're going to get some new Galaxy AI for your older devices starting in March. Okay, in late March. Anyway, let's kind of wrap this video up. As you can see, the S23 and the S22, both of these have amazing displays, but now the Galaxy S24. Okay, I'm getting ready to go ahead and update this one too. It is more vivid. Let's try that Facebook shit one more time. Okay, look, now we got it. It's really hard to see on camera, but if you hold them side by side, you can see that it's a little bit more vivid now. Now, personally, I didn't have a huge problem with it anyway, but yeah, you could see the difference now a little bit more vivid. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll be having two Facebook feeds going at the same time. Who that? All right, let's see. It's hard to see on a lot of photos. The easiest photo for me to see, though, is this right here. Now, and this photo right here, go to my Instagram and do this test. If you got two different phones, go to my Instagram and pull up this picture right here. You'll be able to see the difference. Now, these are two Galaxy phones. It is more vivid now. Anyway, let's kind of wrap this video up. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to do an outro. I'm keeping this short and sweet. Okay, these are the updates for the Galaxy S24. Now, my whole plan today was to do a full review on this phone. All right, let me talk about this for a second. My plan is to do a full review on this phone right here. Now, spoiler alert. This might be my new favorite phone, okay? Let me say that correctly. This is my new favorite camera phone. The camera on the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. Come back later tonight and watch this full review. It is going to blow you away. All right, I'm up out of here. Oh, one more side note. Now, before you do the update, make sure you read the patch notes because it's not just about display. There's some other upgrades that came included. I'm not going to talk about those in this video. I just wanted to keep this one short and sweet.